Keap CRM review and pricing. Table of contents. Editor's score, 9.4. Keap allows businesses to automate almost every stage of the sales journey, use a broad range of available workflow templates and create advanced custom workflows with drag-and-drop tools, making it our pick for the best CRM for sales automation. Pros. 1. When setting up automations, you can choose from a variety of customizable templates or create your own, and advanced workflows are neatly visualized on a dedicated canvas as you build them. 2. Keap's Pro and Max plans have a built-in appointment scheduler with online invite links, a fully integrated calendar and triggered automations. 3. You can create highly targeted email campaigns, or broadcasts, with the numerous professionally designed and customizable templates. Cons. 1. Keap's pricing starts at $129 per month, which can be steep for startups. 2. A free business phone line for calls and texts via Keap is available for users in the US and Canada only. Keap, formerly known as Infusionsoft, is a full-featured contact management software with built-in marketing, sales and e-commerce tools. Compared to other products on the market, we found that Keap CRM offers the most powerful and easy-to-use automation features, with readily available templates and an easy drag-and-drop automation builder. It provides numerous top-tier services to help companies manage their business and customers with ease, all for a relatively reasonable price. Keap CRM Editor's rating, 9.4. Pricing, value, 9.2. Features, 9.5. Customizations, add-ons and integrations, 9.1. Ease of use, 9.8. Customer service, 9.3. Why we chose Keap as the best CRM software for sales automation. Unlike many of the other top CRM software solutions we reviewed, Keap offers two tiers of sales automation options, easy and advanced. Business owners who want to set up straightforward, when-then, workflows to follow up with leads, send automated notifications and emails, and create deals based on set conditions can choose from a variety of ready-made, customizable templates or create their own in just a couple of clicks. Even though the advanced automations give users the option to go much deeper and set up alternate decision paths, delay timers and complex conditions. Creating the workflows can be done on a highly visual canvas with a simple drag-and-drop process, making Keap our best pick for a CRM focused on sales automation. Keap's dashboard has all your most important sales information at the ready. Tip: CRMs are a great way to gather and use customer feedback. Ease of use. The intuitive Keap software is easy for novice users to navigate and customizable enough for advanced users who want additional functionality. The CRM's tools are well organized and clearly labeled, so your sales team can spend more time engaging customers than struggling with complex system layouts. Keap's advanced features are as user-friendly as its core functions, thanks to various easy setup automations that keep the sales process moving smoothly. You can easily connect your Keap CRM to the Google and Microsoft 365 suites, as well as core apps like Zoom, HelloSign, MailChimp and more. Keap features. There are key features to look for in a CRM when you're shopping the marketplace. Here are the ones that make Keap stand out. Sales automation. Keap's sales automation features are stellar. You can choose to set up easy or advanced workflows, with both options offering a generous selection of customizable templates. Easy automations work off the basic, when-then, formula and are best suited for businesses that rely on constant communication with their customers. For example, you can follow up on an unpaid invoice after a specific amount of time. Send a reminder about an upcoming appointment or notify a team member about a new form submission. Advanced automations allow users to set up alternate paths depending on the applied conditions and scenarios. Use the keyboard shortcuts menu on the bottom left of the Advanced Automations canvas to learn how to select, duplicate and delete elements quickly. Keap has a drag-and-drop tool and templates that make email marketing a quick and painless task. While many CRMs can manage aspects of e-commerce, most require third-party integrations to do so. Did you know? You can set up recurring payments in Keap, which is particularly useful if you sell subscription-based services. Keap's Contact Manager section includes client portals, with tools to note how committed each client is. It can easily record every interaction your company has with a potential customer, and you can use this data to create CRM reports, such as analytics focused on timelines, sales activities and even the number of visits to your website. Custom data fields are available, so you can focus on the information critical to your business rather than manipulating preset fields, which can be confusing. Keap offers business owners 3 plans to choose from: Pro, Max and Max Classic. Each package can be customized with additional users, $29 each, and contacts. Keap offers a collection of free, play blueprints, to walk you through the most common sales processes, from an action plan and goals to implementation and relevant metrics. Customer service. Keap's customer support options include email and 24/7 live chat access, as well as a series of how-to videos and an extensive self-service knowledge base. Phone support is also available Monday through Friday for businesses in the US, Monday through Saturday for those in the UK, and Tuesday through Saturday for companies in Australia.